Your HVAC installer just quoted you $7,000 for a new furnace, but they're probably not telling you everything you need to know to make the right decision. Today, we're revealing 6 industry secrets that could save you thousands of dollars and years of headaches. From why bigger isn't always better to the one factor that matters more than brand names. These insights will change how you approach your next HVAC purchase. The last tip alone could be the difference between 15 plus years of reliable service or constant repair calls. Number 1, you don't always need the highest efficiency unit. Here's something most sales reps won't volunteer. Jumping from a 95% AFU furnace to a top tier 98 or 99% model might not actually save you much money in the long run. The efficiency difference is minimal, but the price premium can be substantial. That extra 3 or 4% efficiency often takes 15 to 20 years to pay for itself through energy savings, longer than many homeowners stay in their homes. Your installer makes higher commissions on premium units, so they're naturally incentivized to upsell. However, there are other factors beyond efficiency ratings to consider, like variable speed operation for better comfort and humidity control, plus extended warranty coverage. Do the math on actual energy savings versus the price difference, and weigh those other features based on your priorities. Number 2, bigger isn't always better. Size matters more than you think. This one's huge. Oversized HVAC systems are one of the biggest problems in the industry, and many installers still use outdated rules of thumb instead of proper load calculations. An oversized furnace or air conditioner will short cycle, turning on and off frequently, which reduces efficiency, increases wear and tear, and creates uncomfortable temperature swings. Your installer should perform a manual J-load calculation that considers your home's insulation, windows, orientation, and local climate. If they're sizing your system based on square footage alone, or the old system was this size logic, that's a red flag. A properly sized system will run longer cycles, maintain more consistent temperatures, and last longer. Number 3, your ductwork could be sabotaging your new system. Here's what's frustrating. You can install the most efficient HVAC system money can buy, but if your ductwork is poorly designed or leaking, you're wasting 20 or 30% of your heat energy. Many installers focus on selling you equipment, but gloss over duct issues because ductwork modifications are messy, time-consuming, and sometimes require opening up walls. Leaky ducts in unconditioned spaces like attics or crawl spaces are literally pumping your heated or cooled air outside. Ask specifically about duct sealing and whether your existing ductwork is properly sized for your new system. Sometimes a smaller, more efficient system with proper ductwork will outperform a larger system with bad ducts. Number 4, maintenance plans aren't just revenue generators. Yes, contractors make money on maintenance agreements, but here's what they don't emphasize enough. Regular maintenance can double your equipment's lifespan. A well-maintained furnace or air conditioner can run efficiently for 15 years or even longer, while neglected units often fail after as little as 8 to 10 years. But here's the insider tip. You don't necessarily need their premium plan. Ask exactly what's included and compare it to what you can do yourself. Basic tasks like changing filters and keeping outdoor units clear are DIY friendly. Focus professional maintenance on the technical stuff like checking refrigerant levels, testing safety controls, and cleaning components you can't access safely. Number 5, rebates and financing aren't always in your best interest. Contractors love promoting manufacturer rebates and financing options, but they don't always mention the fine print. That 0% financing might have a hefty origination fee, or the rebate might require you to buy a more expensive model than you actually need. Do your homework on available utility and government rebates independently. Sometimes you can get better rebates by choosing a different brand or model than what your contractor is pushing. Many provinces and states offer substantial rebates for higher efficiency equipment that aren't tied to specific contractors. If you have good credit, your bank's home equity line of credit or a personal loan might beat the contractor's financing terms. Number 6, the installation quality matters more than the brand. This is the big one. A mediocre system installed perfectly will outperform a premium system installed poorly. Many homeowners focus entirely on brand names while ignoring installation quality. Poor installation can reduce performance and even the longevity of your system. Look for contractors who have completed dedicated manufacturer training and avoid companies that use high-pressure sales tactics, as these companies are also more likely to rush the job. Quality installation takes time. Ask to see their license, insurance, and relevant certifications. Just as important, you want someone who will provide good ongoing support for years to come, not just disappear after the initial install. A contractor who stands behind their work long-term is worth their weight in gold. Our certified partner contractors have all passed a multi-point vetting process, for instance. The bottom line: be an informed customer. Ask lots of questions. Get multiple quotes, and don't let anyone pressure you into making a same-day decision on a major investment. Your HVAC system should serve your home reliably for 15 to 20 years, so it's worth taking the time to get it right. Check out more buying guides, real customer reviews, and interactive tools and cost calculators at FurnacePrices.ca. And if you found this video useful or interesting, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more.